Have you been practicing your B major scale with your right hand and your left hand? Are you ready to try learning to play with them hands together? It's a big step. It's very exciting. This one I feel like is foolproof. Like there aren't very many places where you can make errors because the black keys really keep your fingers in place where they need to go. And there's only one place for your thumbs to play. It's really a good way to try to put your hands together. So the first thing we're going to do before putting the scales together is just putting the thumbs together. So you know, what are the notes that the thumbs play on for the B major scale? The thumbs play on the B and also on the E, okay? So we're gonna practice just putting thumbs together on the B's in the E's, going all the way up and all the way down. And you're gonna have them 1 octave apart, so that's 8 notes apart. There's a B here, and then the next B, the very next B is about 10 inches away. It's an octave, okay? All right, 10 inches, 8 inches? I should measure exactly how far that is. All right, so we've got both B's. We're playing both B's with these 2 thumbs. And I want you to use not this pad of the thumb, but the corner, the side of the thumb. Okay, kind of at the base of your fingernail. All right, so that's where you're gonna play with your thumb. Side corner of your thumb, B and B, all right? So then we're gonna jump up to the next next white note that you play at the top of the group of 2 black
I can
notes.
do that.
So this is E. E and E. Ooh, we need to tune my piano. Okay, let's play the E's together. And then pause, relax, wait for a minute, lift up those hands and find the next set, which is at the top of the 3 black notes. We're gonna play B's together. Okay? And in between each one, you stop, you pause, relax, shake your shoulders out, find your next place, and then play them together. Okay, so just stop, relax, shake your shoulders out. The next thing is B, find the next set of B's. Nice and relaxed, okay? This is not stressful. Ready? Play the B's. Now stop, relax, lift up your hands. Let's play all the E's. And the next one is a B, and an E, and B, and E. Make sure you're nice and relaxed. Your shoulders are loose. There's no tension. This is easy, easy peasy. Okay, B, E, and B. Do it all the way up. Do it all the way down. On your own. Make this easy. Again, remember that idea that I talked about before where if you can start talking or thinking about something else besides B's and E's, if you can start thinking about your favorite food or your favorite color or your favorite animal, like if you can talk or think about some other subject, that means that your muscles know where they're going and it's a little less conscious, a little more subconscious, which is where we need to get in order to really have that control, in order to have our hands work independently. All right, so then we'll do it going down, B's and E's. What I'm demonstrating right now is the level of proficiency you need to get to after practicing it a bunch of times. You'll get there eventually, but at first it'll be more like the other way where we're stopping, we're rolling our shoulders out, we're pausing to look and search and think and find together where those hands are supposed to go before we play. So always know that you can play as slow as you want to, as slow as you need to. Like it's fine to play slowly, take your time in between and prepare before you make any sounds so that you're accurate on that first sound that you hear. Okay, so B's and E's, B's and E's, B's and E's. Practice that with your thumbs together. So the first thing you're gonna do is put your thumbs together. Just that, okay? Now, once you've mastered thumbs together, the next thing we're gonna do is 2's together and 3's together, okay? So without the thumbs, just only the 2's and 3's. So we'll do the lowest sets of 2 black notes, but both hands at the same time. So we're gonna go 2's, E's, and then move up to the 3 and do 3's. And move up to the 2, and then the 3's. Does that make sense? And 2's, and 3's, and 2's, and 3's, and 2's, and 3's. Do it all the way up, Do it all the way down. Threes and twos and threes and twos. Try and keep your shoulders relaxed. It's not stressful. We got this, okay? So now those are kind of all the little bits and pieces, all the elements. Once you can play all of those things, your thumbs together, you can play your twos and threes together, then very, very slowly, when you feel ready, then we are going to try and put all of it together, which I will stop this video and give you a couple of days to practice this first. Just your thumbs together, just your twos and threes together, and then when you're ready and you feel confident about those, then we're gonna put it all together with all of the notes together. So that'll be the next video. All right, keep practicing, let me know how it goes, and I'll see you when you're ready for the next step. We'll do it together.